Hey there guys, and we're back. How you doing? Today we're going to be talking about the Magic Razorless Cream Shave. Okay, me and this product have a real history together. Now, actually it's the product, but not really this kind of one. This kind of version of the shave cream. They used to make a magic cream shave, but that one used to be in the can, and they still make that one. And you used to have to mix it with water, and it smelled horrible. It did the job, but it would stink up your entire house. Oh boy, Magic Shave was something else. I used it anyway. What it does is, Magic Cream Shaver, it is preferably made for African American people because we have like curly hair and we get like these thick beards, and it usually causes razor bumps sometimes to use a razor. So they invented this cream. Actually, you put it on your face and you let it sit on there, kind of like a nair that women use for their legs. Put it on your face and let it sit for a few minutes, and then you take it off with like a spatula or like a butter knife or something like that, and just kind of wipe it off. Yeah. But like I said, it used to come in a can, and the can was a powder, and you mix it with water, and you put it on there and it would stink up your house. Now, I mean, recent years, they've come out with this, which is already mixed in, it's in a little tube here, and it smells just fine. I mean, it doesn't smell great. The other one smelled like rotten eggs, but this one smells just like a lotion. You have no idea how I was waiting for it. It works really well. It makes it so you can shave really, really close. So basically, it is a white cream. It is kind of like the consistency of toothpaste, like that, you see? You let it sit on your face. On the container, it says it's ready to go in 4 minutes, you see. But I tend to have to keep mine on for at least 6 minutes. I'm not suggesting that anybody do that, but for me, since I've been using it for so long, my skin is used to it. But if you keep it on there too long, longer than you're supposed to, you will notice it will burn you. Yeah, I mean, you will take it off and it will take off some little small layer of your skin too. Because, I mean, you can actually feel it working. So once it's on there, you'll get it on there, and then you'll start to feel a little tiny sting, little bit, and it dries on there. This one, and well, actually it doesn't really dry like flake dry. It kind of just gets a little harder. Like, it goes on kind of like the consistency of toothpaste, but then as it sits on there, you will notice that it will be the consistency of, say, like a peanut butter when it's ready to come off. Now, it says to use like a spatula or a butter knife or something like that to take it off. But for me, you just put it on there, let it sit for, like I said, 6 minutes, and when it's ready, what I do is I get in the shower and just use a warm rag, put my face underneath the water, and let the water take it off, and then just wipe my face clean with a wet rag to take it off, because I don't want to use any kind of metal or anything against my skin, because I was really prone to getting razor bumps, and I did not like that. So, but this did the jobs. This helped a lot. Razor bumps is the main reason we needed this, because curly hair blades just don't mix, you know, because the hairs curl like that and go right back into the skin, you know. But this, for some reason, it takes the hair right off and it's really smooth, you know, really, really smooth. So I like it, and I've used it for many years and I like it a lot. It like this, the regular strength, I mean the regular smell, but it has a mild one, a little less abrasive, and a different, they come in different fragrances too. And this will be a different color. The one I get, the red one, is the extra strength one. So it takes it all off. But some people have much more sensitive skin. So, oh boy, I like it a lot, and I hope everybody else tries it that needs it. Let's all get a shave. All right. Well, that is the Magic Razorless Cream Shave Cream. And I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.